Culture can be influenced by a plethora of things, such as time, location, and people that come into our lives. When asked to think of somewhere in the Boise area that I feel reminds me the most of home, my head didn't go to a location. For me, I feel most at home with my four-legged and very fluffy companion, Indy. Born and raised in the small town of Haley, Idaho, my childhood was filled with constant adventure, so when I moved to Boise, I was fortunate enough to enter an unfamiliar territory with my companion. We have moved into 5 different homes together, and thanks to her, adjusting to new territory has never been a struggle for me. With constant cuddles and positive vibes, I have her to thank for making all of our favorite spots feel like we belong. From the estimated thousands of footsteps on Table Rock we have strolled, and the thousands of footsteps of the Boise River, as well as our never-ending road trips, it's safe to say we have never been bored in this beautiful city. She makes every new hike a memory, and we are constantly captivated by never-ending new locations. We really enjoyed dress-up days, heading to the Goddess Festival, and all of our favorite parks, such as Manitou, and Morrison, and Camel's Back. We pave our way and make our imprint, picking up memorabilia along the way. And our motto is, there's no twig too large enough to conquer. Not even that one. Through our 4 years in the Boise area of fall, 4 years of winter, and 3 years of spring, Indy makes every moment in Boise feel like home, rain or shine. She always reminds me that we have to stop and smell every flower, and I can't thank her enough for trooping it out over our long study dates at home and joining me at local Boise events. I couldn't ask for a better partner in crime perusing Boise, Idaho. Home is wherever I'm with you.